Electronic components at work in harsh environments are constantly exposed to mechanical, chemical, and electrical stresses. Without adequate protection, damage from extreme temperatures, vibration, corrosion, and more can easily cause malfunction and failure. Bulgion's innovative interconnect products are designed to provide safe, secure connections in some of the most challenging applications. Now, we've added 3 additions to our family of circular data connectors. These new series were specifically developed to reinforce designs and deliver superior performance in harsh applications like industrial automation, military, telecommunications, automotive, construction, and energy. Meet the standard Buccaneer Cat 8 series, the latest upgrade to the Cat 5e and the Cat 6a series. This series boasts data rates up to 25 gigabytes per second, plus IP68 and IP69K ratings when mated for high-level protection against ingress of dust and high-pressure water. Cables with strong shielding against EMI and crosstalk make the Cat 8 Buccaneer series ideal for reliable networking in data center and telecommunications applications. For industrial settings, high-speed data transfer, outdoor surveillance, and more, Bulgion's new standard Buccaneer USB 3.0 series builds on our USB 2.0 series. The USB 3.0 series features a bit rate up to 5 gigabytes per second and a 2-way data transmission capability for simultaneous data flow in both directions. This series is also IP68 and IP69K rated when mated, ensuring ample protection in industrial and outdoor environments. Finally, we're raising the bar for factory automation, industrial networks, and outdoor broadcast events with our new standard series HDMI connectors. IP68 and IP69K rated when mated, these sealed HDMI connectors feature HDMI 2.1 performance with overmolded cord sets, cable plugs, and panel mount receptacle options. Prepare your designs against harsh environments with secure connectors you can rely on. For more information about new product lines, reach out to Bulgion today.